Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm a 6th grade student reviewing the DIY wreath kit by Huez Unlimited. So this set contains a unfinished wreath, a chain, 2 connectors, two small flowers and 2 big flowers, and 2 pairs of leaves. So what we'll start is you open the connector, and then you grab your wreath. You put the connector inside, and then grab your chain. And then you put your chain in there, close it. Then you grab your other connector, put it in, put your chain in there, and close it. So now you have a wreath that can, now you have a hangable wreath. And then, so we'll put it to the side, and now we'll focus on our flowers. So you have, so this little flower right here, so you start with this outer side and you roll it up. And now that we're done, you take this little circle, don't cut that off. It's supposed to be there. You put a dot of hot glue or fabric glue. I'm using hot glue because it's easier for me. And then you have your flower. Now you can use your tweezers or your hands to fix the flower a little bit. And add a little bit more hot glue to make the last layer of petals stick up. So now you have that. Now we'll do this bigger flower. It has these little ends that you can roll up, but I prefer to snip it off so it can stand flat. Snip them off. So now that you snip this flower, you start rolling it up. And once you're done, once you started rolling it up a little bit, use your thumb and your index finger as a base and for the flower and roll it up with your hand. This flower is a little bit bigger, so be patient. Okay. Now, going a little bit more. Almost. And done. So you take this last petal, you add some hot glue to it. If you're out of hot glue sticks, add one.
You want to do it again?
It's in the same way, and I pre-rolled them so we could save time. Now you grab your wreath and place it so it's aesthetically pleasing. I like to do it this way. Put the bigger one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here, and then you can hot glue it into place, and then you'll be done. I'm an 11-year-old and I made this project with ease. So it's really beginner friendly and I think you can do it too.